This platform can literally do anything when it comes to images. You can generate images, edit them, restyle them, remove background, recolor or upscale them. I always like platforms that have all the tools gathered in one place instead of jumping between different platforms. Today I'm diving deep into FlexClip's powerful AI image tools. We're going to explore three features of FlexClip: the AI image generation, image editing, and image restyling. Before we start, FlexClip provided me with 2 free monthly account upgrades, so if you're interested, just write me down I'm interested in the comments, and I will choose 2 accounts every month for the upgrade. Just make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So let's sign in and go to our dashboard and press on the AI tools on the left side and then press on AI text to image. This is our dashboard, and we have some samples of some of the generated images. And you can also access the AI text to image from the top menu. If you go to the home screen of FlexClip, you can press on the generate button, and this will take you to the same dashboard. So in the middle, we have some sample images and their prompts, and there is the history tab. And on the left side, we have the all the AI models that we can use with FlexClip. FlexClip provides different models, including the OpenAI ChatGPT and the new Dream 4 image generation. There's also the prompt box where you can enter your prompt for generating the images. So we are going to start by pasting one of the prompts. There's also the style tab and the reference image tab, the resolution, the ratio. I'm going to change the ratio to 3 by 4 and the image count to 2. And you can see the number of credits that you will be deducted from your account once you press generate. And I'm going to press generate to see the results. I'm using the Dream 4 model for these two styles, and as you can see, the prompt generated perfect graphics, perfect t-shirt graphics that are perfect for print on demand. However, I don't like the mockup of the t-shirts, so I'm going to add no t-shirt mockup to my prompt. I'm going to leave the prompt in the description, by the way, and I'm going to press on generate. And this time we got also 2 great images. One of them is without the mockup, and the other is almost with a hidden t-shirt, but much better than the previous ones. I think we can easily remove the background from this one. And if you press on any of the images, you can see you can download them or read the prompt that was written to generate the image and the model. So we see here this one is generated using the Dream 4, and the resolution and the date that was the date of the generation of the image. So for my second prompt, I'm still going to use the Dream model, but this time I'm going to change the number of images to 4 and press on generate, and we get 4 nice images. The two in the middle have backgrounds that are not plain, but the one on the right is perfect for merge. I'm going to download it. This space pose design, I can easily remove the background that is generated for this design. So for the third prompt, I'm going to also use the Dream model and press on the generate button. And again, we get 4 nice images for that also fit print on demand style. Now let's change the AI model to Quinn image, paste our prompt, and this time I'm going to choose the vector style, change the ratio to 3 by 4 and press on generate. And we get nice cute designs using the Quinn image and the vector style. So one of the advantages of the FlexClip is the style reference. You can choose a style that you like with the prompt that you want and generate the image. For the next example, I'm going to choose the Nano Banana Google model and press on generate, and I'm keeping the prompt as is. It's the similar prompt for the last example, but this time all the images that I got, they have mockups, so I'm going to add no t-shirt mockups to the end of the product again and press on generate. And this time we got cute style that is completely different than the Sea Dream and the Quinn image examples. So let's try the Imagine 4 Ultra and press on the 3 by 4 ratio and press on generate. And again, we get very nice examples. So this is the first tip that you can do. You can try different models using the same prompt and keep generating images until you get something that you feel is suitable for what you're looking for. And you can easily switch between the styles also while using the same prompt to see different results. And if you press on the history tab, this will show you all the generated images on your account. And again, if you press on any image, you can see the model and the details of the image. Now let's upload this image reference to our dashboard, and I'm going to write a simple prompt that says is a teenager skating and press on generate. I'm using the Google Nano Banana model with a reference image. This is the reference image. And as you can see, we get 4 results that are very close to the style of the reference image, but with the scene that we have described on in the prompt. So this is the reference image and this is the new images. So exactly similar style, but I'm going to change the prompt this time and add wearing a hoodie and streetwear clothing and a hat just to test the results. Again, I'm using the same model, the Google Nano Banana, with the same reference image. This is the reference image, and we get an updated scene. Also, same style, but since I described or added to the prompt that I wanted with a hoodie and the streetwear clothing, now it suits better. So let's change the model to ChatGPT image 1 with the same prompt and the same reference image and press on generate to see what we're going to get. This time we got 4 images, but we forgot to change the ratio, so I'm going to change it to 2 by 3 to get a full image. And this time we get 4 vertical images with close proximity to the style that we have used in the reference image and using the ChatGPT image 1 model. So very close style and also very nice images that clearly sticks to the prompt that was used, and the model was ChatGPT image 1. Now let's press on the FlexClip logo to go back to the main board and press on the AI tab and press on the AI text to image. Now let's go back to now let's press on the AI text to image tab at the top. This time I'm going to press on the AI photo editor. We're going to test the editing dashboard or the editing features of the FlexClip. So press on the upload button to upload your reference image or the image that you would like to edit while keeping the model, the Google Nano Banana, as it is one of the best editing AI models. I'm going to write add a hat to the cat and see, and I'm going to write make the cat wearing a red hat and press on generate to see what we are going to get. Again, I'm using the Google Nano Banana model with this editing example. Switching between the models will result in different could result in different images, could make difference. And this is now the edited image. The cat is exactly the same, but this is not really a hat, but the cat itself is kept as is with the same expressions, which is a very good thing. You can also try to add one of these effects at the bottom, but I'm not going to use this now. I'm going to change the model to the Sea Dream 4 model and I'm keeping the same prompt as is and press on the generate button to see if we are going to get a better result with this prompt and this AI model. And this is more like a hat than the previous one. So again, the image is perfect. The same hat with a red hat, the same cat with a red hat, perfect result. And you can press on the continue editing button to have this new generated image added to your board. And now you can edit on the new image. So I'm going to write add glasses and press on generate. Now the updates will be added to the image that was already edited. So it will be added to the cat with the red hat instead of the original image. And we get also a perfect result using this Sea Dream 4 model. Sunglasses added to the cat. Perfect result. So I'm going to convert this to a design suitable for t-shirts and add proper text in cool bubbly font and press on the improve prompt to maybe get a better prompt for what I'm looking for. And FlexClip will suggest a longer prompt for you, but I'm going to add at the back at the end no t-shirt mockup. What I'm going to add at the end no t-shirt mockup and press on generate. We get this time a design with nice font but a background that is more like a mockup, which is not what I'm looking for, but I like the text and the font style that was chosen to match this design. So let's go back to the Google Nano Banana and press on generate while keeping the same prompt to see if we're going to get something different. But this time we got a completely different result using the Google Nano Banana model, and the result is not exactly what I was looking for. So let's choose the Open AI ChatGPT model and also keep the prompt as is. Now let's go back to our homepage and press on the home button to go back to this dashboard again. It is accessible through your profile image. And let's press on the AI tools. And this time I'm going to press on the AI image to image tab. This allows you to upload any image and restyle it. So I'm going to upload this Scary Reaper image and choose one of the available styles to restyle it. There are many styles available on FlexClip that you can use as a reference to restyle your image. So go through all the styles and choose the one that you like. So I'm going to add this Reaper image and choose the B&W sketch style and press on the generate button. This is the image that I have uploaded of this green scary Reaper or skeleton. And this is the result that we got. Perfect sketch, black and white sketch result. If we see the image and the sketch, they are very close in terms of expression or image organization. So the result is perfect, exactly what I was looking for. This time I'm going to choose a different style. I'm going to choose the action figure style, action figure 1, and press on generate. And we get a nice action figure of the Reaper with some of the cool accessories. And that was it for this tutorial. That was a quick walkthrough video showing you how to use FlexClip platform to generate images, edit images, and restyle images on one single platform. So don't forget there is a discount code that you can use if you would like to upgrade to the paid plan. I'll leave it in the description in addition to 2 upgradable accounts that I'm going to choose from the comments below. If you leave a comment saying I'm interested, in addition to like and subscribe on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in future tutorials.